Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys where you can basically edit your pie chart on Google Docs. So if you select insert and you go to select chart and you added maybe the pie chart, as you can see you can't really edit it on the Google Docs. You have to like select it, and then you're going to select the link chart options, and then you're going to select open source, and it's going to open basically the Google Sheets. And here you can like change edit the pie chart here. For instance, like team 1 has like a name, serpent, and then this one's like lion, I don't know, unicorn, and fairies. And here you can like add in the score, maybe change it here 50, and then here's like 20, 10. Actually, I'm going to make unicorn 50 because I like that the most. Whoa, whoops. And 10. And then you can just like save that. I think it's already saved. If you go back, just like close it and select update. And then this is what will show up. So that is basically how you can edit your pie chart on Google Docs. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!